What's up, guys? Today we're unboxing these Artisan keycaps from Dwarf Factory. This one here is from the Swede group buy. So let's take a look at the product page. If you're a cannabis aficionado, this Artisan keycap may appeal to you. I believe I did order this skin here, which I'm not sure what the name is. There was a few different options on the Swede line, so I went with the two cannabis themed ones, which are gonna be this guy right. Well, there's one, and then I believe there's a red one that had cannabis leaves, but now I don't see it. Well, there was two cannabis themed ones in this series. There you go. So I've got the red one, see here, and I've got the green one. I don't know why that's not staying selected. Inside the package, you're going to get a sliding craft paper box, the keycaps, user guide, and two finger cots. Still don't understand the finger cots. Sorry, I'm covering up my address. I couldn't get this label off all the way. So let's take a look at what we've got inside. Got an envelope within an envelope. I'm looking forward to these for quite a while. I personally don't smoke weed anymore, but I still fan of it and advocate. You've got your standard little guide that you get here with anytime you order keycaps from Dwarf Factory. I did recently unbox the terrarium keycap that I ordered. That was very nice, and these appear to be excellent quality as well. So let's get a little close up here for you. What's going on? So we did have it focused a second there. All right, so got the green one, we've got the red and yellow orangish one. I think they came out looking really good. Has that classic sativa hot leaf that you're all familiar with. I really like this one because it's got that red, green, and gold aesthetic, which I am a big fan of. I actually mostly listen to reggae music, but I did just recently change my armor colors in the game of New World to a red, green, and gold aesthetic. Got like what appears to be a rope around the bottom there that ties together with a, I don't know what you would call that, maybe a sunburst, little sunburst image there. Too close. Well, there we go, guys. So these are from Dwarf Factory. These are the Swede keycaps. Some new Artisan keycaps. I'm looking forward to putting on something soon. If you are not familiar with Dwarf Factory, I do have a link in the product description below for you to check out. Thanks for dropping by, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be sure to hit that like, be sure to hit that subscribe, and come back regularly. I'm going to be uploading a bunch of videos over the next few days, and I hope to see you there. Have a good one.